And I choose KFC as my research company, and today I'm going to talk about the uh, ethical dilemma in KFC. So we already know the KFC is an international company that operates a fast food chain for fried chicken in the global, and the KFC has always attracted the people's attention. So today I found an article is talk about the this one, and we can see that it is an employees interview, which is work at the KFC. So in the article, the manager of the North Island KFC was accused of repeatedly selling the expired chicken to customers. When the employees of a store found this problem and took into account the brand, the image, and the value, they repeatedly remind the manager to change this practice, but the manager not only failed to do so, but also threatened the employees. First of all, I think the manager of the store did not recognize and the vision and mission of the organization. At the same time, this is also related to the lack of training and the personnel training. The company's value and vision did not go deeper into the heart of employees. If the company regulars inspect the management and carry out the company's complaints, the training, such as unethical behavior can be reduced. The company's vision is to sell food in a fast and friendly environment to attract the consult and the health-oriented customers. Their mission is to provide the finger-licking food for all customers. If the manager rejects the rules, the whole team will have ethical problem. On the other hand, this will also have an impact on employees' engagement because the employees will have negative the emotion when they find that the organization's behavior is reducing their job statistic and they might absent and turn over. So we go to the next one. It's about the method. For first of all, I think the top management of the organization should pay more attention to the management because the manager, such as the story manager, are the leader of the whole team. They must have good ethical and skilled the technology in order to cultivate a better team. Here, I think the organization can make a clear strategy plan and hold the regular meetings with the manager, which is in the story, and check the training of the story manager ability. The efficient operation of the organization needs to be consistent with the internal environment of the whole organization. The organization can arrange the internal employees to learn, and the learning the context needs to be defined from three aspects. The first is defined from the organization itself, such as the organization's the strategy and organizational framework and the organizational value and vision. From the process of learning, constantly change their thought and improve their ability. Second, in combination with the company's strategy and future visions, we should start from ourselves and correct the ethical behavior of the employees. Here, we can carry out our more comprehensive training of internal organization and more training. Like the employee in the report, we can remind the organization's employees of unethical behavior and improve it. In addition, it can also improve the employee's skills, which is convenient for organization to assign tasks according to the employee's skills, meaning a completable the method such as the offer job and the training course. The third one is talk about the HR technology. In order to maximize the effect of the plan, we must rely on use the technology. We can observe and analyze the employee's development metrics. The percentage of the course request successful fulfilled, and the second one is percentage of employees receiving training. The third one is training hours per employees. According to these indicators, we can see that those employees attract great importance to development and learning. For these employees, the organization can consider setting them into a group, which may help the organizations reach their goal. In order to maximize the effect of the plan, we must rely on use of technology. The KFC will arrange the ledgers of the training according to the different position of employees. Generally, in ordinary, the employees can complete the substitute the training in about a week. A professional person will accompany and assist to play the role of monitoring and coaching. If you are an store management, it will take more months, like 9 months learning operation in the first 3 months and management in the second 6 months. According to this index, we can use the descriptive analysis, use data aggregation and the data mining to understand the traits and evaluate the indicators over time. Feedback collected from employees' satisfaction and graduate service, analyze data at all stages of the HR life cycle, from induction, career development plan, and the performance management result. The last part is talk about the SMART. The first one is S, and this is the specific. Our goal is to increase the employees' ability through the internal training, meeting the organization's strategy plan, and make the organization vision and value deeper into employees' mind. Also, we have to increase their job certification, because it will be better if the employees want to work in the KFC as long term. So they can also find a suitable direction to develop and strengthen their own capability. To achieve these goals, the employees not only need to participate, but also need their immediately supervisor to pay more attention to employees' training and employees' emotion. The next part is M. You can just set goals and monitor the progress of the employees' training on a regular basis. How many hours of training each employees need to be complete within the specific time can be set once a week for 3 to 4 hours, and the completion can be monitored from the employees signing in. The next part is about A. The first, we need to determine the final version of the organization's strategy, and then improve the internal training process and the personnel deployment. The second is to classify the employees according to their training needs, plan the training time and the related skilled learning. A learning schedule can be made. Direct the supervisor need to check the learning states regularly, not only through the time of learning completion, but also through the operation of technology. The next part is R. According to the ethical issue of the food safety, the organization is subject to the supervising of the media and the masses. We should make observed change. First of all, from with the organization, the employee values, training, and the employee's ethics are important point to the avoid causing unhealthy food. You can set a short term, and for the last part is about the time. You can set a short-term goal, because they pay more attention to short-term goals in the combination with the HRM in the USA. So therefore, the time can be set at 3 to 6 months. After 6 months, the analyze food safety and the employees' behavior and technology. If there is a significant improvement, the short-term goal can be changed into the long-term goals. So this is all about my presentation, and I think the KFC needs to focus on this part and to pay more attention on the internal employees. So thanks for your watching.